Hello, my name is 𝐸𝐴𝐞𝐿.
My name is Amanda,
And welcome to the Rainbow Chef Academy.
Today we will be making pita pizza,
which is a healthy and easy to make recipe. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the recipe. Before you make the pita pizza, please make sure to wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 30 seconds.
And let's get started.
Today for our ingredients, we have tomato sauce, basil, and salami,
Along with pitas, tomatoes, garlic, and grated cheese. This is our mise en place,
which is the French term for everything in its place. When cutting, we will be using the claw method, which is a way to safely prevent injuries.
The claw method looks like this, where you tuck in the tips of your fingers, making an O shape.
You want to cut it?
Do you-
Just like this. There you go.
Since we just finished slicing the tomatoes, now we will be making the pita pizza.
So first, grab your pita for your base, and then grab tomato sauce. We'll be using a spoon to just spread it on the pita. Get some more, get how much as you need for your base. So once you are done with your tomato sauce, spreading it all over your pita, you're going to grab some cheese and then just put it on your pizza, just as much as you want. Just sprinkle it all on your pizza as much as you want. Try to spread it as evenly as possible so that there's not just a bunch of cheese on one side but barely any on the other.
And you can put as much as you want. You could put a little bit or a lot. That's on your preference.
I'm gonna put a bit more. And we will get on to some other toppings. We are going to choose to add some tomato toppings onto our pita pizza.
And you don't have to do tomatoes or peppers. You can do your favorite fruit.
Let's put some basil.
And when you add it, you want to tear it in half and then tear it in little tiny pieces to spread all over your pizza.
And it smells good too. Smell. So I'm going to add salami to my pizza.
And since I don't want salami, I'm going to add garlic, which is already minced here.
Now that we are done assembling our pizza, we will be putting them in the oven for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We enjoyed meeting you guys.
And it was lovely having you here. Don't forget to come back because we'll be making strawberry spinach salad
And a Caesar salad with homemade dressing.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rainbow Chef's Academy channel.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.